What is up, guys? Car Builder here, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix your bump on your car. Well, I was starting to record yesterday, but like this weather wasn't really on my side, so I'm taking it right now, see how it looks. So see, this is my bump. I fixed it. I got a crack going all the way down. I fixed that. So first thing you do is set your bumper in. Make sure it clips into each of the sides right here. Just make sure it clips in. Like that, just like that. It's in. Simple. You sit in. Then your 4 10mm bolts. I have 2 right here, and I have an X2 somewhere, but I'm gonna be driving it for right now. So lay under here. Now place to put it. Oh shit, that's it. Oh. And all you gotta do is just tighten it in. We're just gonna press it in right now. Then I am just gonna have to get my 2 guys from out in my tank. That's right up. That is exactly where I have it. So yeah. My screwdriver just like this. I'm just going to tighten in the bumper. All you gotta do is just make sure when you put it in, tighten it in. See, look. Just make sure it goes in. Because then when she goes in, it's in. Now, all you gotta do is make sure you press it in, just like that. And tighten it again, right here. See, the bumper of a car wouldn't be coming off as often, so see, I have to go out and get more screws, but oh god. She goes in just like that. Make sure you hear it. Huh? See how right here, how this one keeps sticking, I gotta put it in the next bolt. See, right here, now I just gotta put the clips and I gotta buy the clip. $100 for 17s, you got a full 4. Driving 350.
Let's go, babe.